Welcome back. We have seen how to synchronize shared variables with locks and coordinate threads with wait and notify. However, the most robust Pythonic way to handle both synchronization and communication is by using the queue data structure. 1. Why use queues? Thread communication often involves passing data, not just signals. Queues combine data transfer with blocking synchronization. In essence, when a thread puts an item into a queue, it automatically notifies any waiting threads. When a thread tries to get an item from an empty queue, it automatically waits until an item is available. This makes the queue module a perfect, all-in-one solution for multithreading coordination. 2. Thread safety and FIFO. The queue.queue object is explicitly designed to be thread safe. It uses internal locks and condition variables to manage access, meaning you never need to manually apply a lock when using its methods. A standard queue follows the first in, first out, or FIFO principle. The first item put into the queue is the first item that comes out. 3. The primary methods. To add data, we use .put parenthesis. To retrieve data, we use .get parenthesis. By default, both methods are blocking, which is the key to efficiency. If a thread calls .get parenthesis on an empty queue, it blocks and sleeps until another thread calls put parenthesis. Similarly, if you define a limited size queue, .put parenthesis will block if the queue is full. This elegantly handles the wait and notify communication necessary for passing data. To summarize, queues simplify complex synchronization and communication needs. Our next lecture 26.20, Producer-Consumer Pattern. See you there.